This is a bike check of my 20
penis.
of my 20 penis 13 Malum frame. Don't fucking touch me, Brendan. I got Shadow Little One pegs, Alienation front rim white, Shadow Undertaker front tire, Subrosa stock fork, Subrosa 2013 Malum frame, Shadow Conspiracy Voltus bars, 9-inch rise with stolen Luke grips, but I have ODIs at home. Rant cranks, they're shit. The Shadow Ravager pedals, PC. I don't know what kind of chain this is. It's a half link though. And then there's a Subrosa sprocket. And then there is the Fit FAF Teal 2.25 back tire. Shadow Conspiracy PC. Shut the hell up, C-post combo seat, and another yeah, my axle is bent, so I'm gonna get a new rim. I'm probably gonna get the Colt match in blue to match my handlebars and my pegs, and yeah, Subrosa stem, and there you go, there's my bike.